Greetings from Florida. Today we're working on a Ford Escape or Mercury Mariner. There's a couple variations of these. They go from 2001 to 2007 and 2008 to 2012. You'll find that this clip is at double speed. Make it a little faster for you to watch through it. So there's some different screws on the sides of the panel depending which one you have. There's one right there underneath the switch housing. There's a Torx bolt behind that buttonhole cover. A lot of times where I just felt there's a screw up there. There's a screw on the bottom part right there. After that, the panel comes off pretty easy. Pop that out, unplug it. Hopefully, if you need these window regulators, you'll find them on my website, upanddownmainstreet.com, www.upanddownmainstreet.com. I forgot to take off that side view mirror cover. Let's pop that off. Piece of cake. This is a very easy job to do. Very easy. You've got a cable on the back that goes to the silver handle, and you've got a plug that goes to, I believe, the lock switch. I just took off the Torx bolt there, peel that back, pop off that piece of sound baffling, peel it back as best you can. I'm not sure if I'll give you enough room to see it. On these things, they tend to swing down, so take it out, crimp it a little bit, make it tighter, put it back. Otherwise, you can take a piece of tape. Otherwise, it'll be a challenge to put the Torx bolts back into it. After that, you get two 10mm bolts that hold the glass to the regulator. Put the glass up, get your suction cup out. 7 10mm bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 10mm bolts. Take out the whole assembly. It's trashed. Put in the new one. It's already, if you get the Ford part, it already has some of the bolts on it. And they've got the Dorman part for this too, and the aftermarket ones. Your call. There's not a lot of problems with it. Now here I was confused because I had it in the wrong hole. I'm thinking, did I get the wrong year for this? Took me a second to figure it out. Think. I was getting angry now. Oh, wait a second. There it goes. So once I found it, put the nuts back on it. Slide that on, 10mm bolt goes there. Really doesn't get any easier than this. Bring the glass down. 10mm bolts go back in. By the way, spray the 2 channels that go up and down the glass travels and spray them lightly, with some WD-40 Power Lube, PAM cooking spray every 2 or 3 months. They dry out from the heat and cause the glass to grab, so a little dab will do you. Get all that lined up so those Torx bolts will go back in. There, I just sprayed them. Pop that back on. Again, if you need these, upanddownmainstreet.com. Check it out. I might even have a discount code on there. TUBE, tube, might get you $5 off the price. Reconnect the silver handle. Put the wiring harness through. If you have any questions, feel free to email me on the YouTube site. If you buy the part from me, you can call and I'll talk you through it. But if you didn't buy the part from me, please just email me on the YouTube site. Torx bolt and the Phillips screws. And that's pretty much it, my friends. Thank you very much. Have a great week.